Aftermarket shop on YouTube.
What's up, what's up? Super Misfit Camaro checking in. I got these lights. I ordered these from my guy, 396 Marrow. If you guys are on Instagram, you can check him out. He make pretty cool lights and stuff like that. I'm gonna be working with him on a few more sets of lights as well. But today, unbox all this. What we got on my Infinity tail lights. I'll let you guys get a look at these, baby. So hot, smoking hot. Check that out. So these are the new tail lights for my 68 Camaro. That I'm gonna be doing these on Infinity lights. They come with a little plug and play harness that he supplies at the back. With the adapters, they go to the existing harness in the rear part of your car. So it also comes with instructions. Now, normally I do not follow instructions. I kind of let common sense take over, but with these, I'm most definitely gonna be reading these instructions. So give me a minute to go over these, get everything together, locate all the tools and stuff that we're gonna need to do this. We pick up from there and get ready to install them on the car. Now this might not be the best angle of these tail lights, but this is what we're working with right now. So we gotta remove the existing tail light housing. So first we're gonna get these bulbs out of here. This shit might fall out pretty easy when you're driving, but I guess when you're trying to take them out, they wanna put up a damn fight. So there's those. It's a ground right over here in this corner. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a little ground wire right here. Gonna go get a few little tools to do that. We're gonna unbolt this from up out of here. Get a step closer. So the little ground wire, that's gonna be 1/4. These other bolts fit. Move those with the impact. So now we have to remove this little plate right here. That was 1/4 inch. Take my time with these, remove all of those. Sit that there. RS lenses. Sit that there. So now we get our first little peek see at what these lights look like in our bezel. Set those down right there. Now, the screws that we had in the back here. There's 6 of those. I'm gonna set those back in place. This here is what I prefer to have my damn socket wrench Okay. So, damn. What you guys think, man? A little sample, it's a little shiny. This bezel is gonna get painted eventually. Whenever I drop the car out to get painted, this bezel is gonna get painted. It won't be this color for long. But I like it, man. I like it a lot. So that's that. You guys get a good look at that. Now, these are ready to go back in the car. Got to make a few modifications inside the car. I'm gonna mock this one up and make the modifications to it. But after looking at it for a while, I decided I'm going to paint the entire bezel low gloss black. So that's gonna set the video back a while. I gotta run to O'Reilly, buy the supplies for that. Yeah, cause I like the look of the light, but it's too much damn chrome for me. So I gotta black this out. So now that we got the buckets out, we gotta make a few cuts. And here, this little brace right here has to come out. Take those out. I'm just gonna use some 10 snips. Started, break them off. All right, now once you cut those, we want to grind this metal down. Get my grinder. So basically what you wanna do, you can either use a cutoff wheel or something like that. I just use the grinder to take a little bit off at a time and the 10 snips from time to time. But you wanna try to smooth it out with this little ridge right here. And then you start test fitting the lights. So as you guys can see, from earlier we bolted the infinity lights in. These bolts here. Shaved all of these down to where we have a good fit. Now we're gonna pop these in place. Take a look at the lights, looking real sharp. Now we're gonna come back here to the back side. We're gonna bolt it back down in place. We're gonna get the impact. Get started with that process, bolting these down. We'll pick up from there. We're gonna tackle the wire. Now we have the wiring. I have the RS model 68, so my wiring gonna be a little different from you guys wiring if you don't have the RS model. And the information does come in the instructions. So for my setup, I had to take both of the yellow wires and connect them to the white wire. Both of the brown wires connected to the brown wires. Now right now I had that crimped together, but I am gonna solder it. This is basically just for mock-up and testing everything. And you also gonna have a black wire that comes off of the pigtail. I ran the black wire to right here at this ground point, so that it's grounded. Once you have that together, you can clip it. I'm working with one hand here, you guys, so bear with me. Clip it in, and we done. Let's go get the keys in the car and check out these lights, see what we got. What you are looking at now, this is my alarm going off on the car. I just connected the battery, so we got both of our lights blinking. Now I'm about to go turn the lights on from inside of the car so we can get a good look at how they look with the lights on. Let's go. This is what we got when the lights are on. Check that out.